14th of November 2021, getting steeply down from the Himbri Pass, connecting one of the side valleys of Kullu with the beautiful Lag Valley here in Himachal Pradesh. That's where we go down all the way. So before starting the hike, we thought of just reducing some weight. So I'll quickly eat up 2 aloo parotha with some ketchup and some bhujia. The trek pants are coming off as the body warms up. And I'll be hiking with Mani and the superhuman Mr. Tanga. Now the Himri Pass connects one of the side valleys of the Kullu Valley with the main Lag Valley in Himachal Pradesh, and it is a hike I think that can be done by beginners also, because the trail is nicely marked on all the offline navigation apps. We have to do a 1000-meter climb, and then we have to go again some 1200 meters down. On the other side the village is Gramang or Graman, and here Himri. Now in order to do this hike, what you can actually do is you can board a bus from Manali that will go in the direction of Kullu, and you get down at this place called Raison, R-A-I-S-O-N. It will take you around 1 hour. So be at the Raison bus stop by 7:15 AM so that you can get into another bus from there that will bring you from Raison all the way up to this village called Ghat Karal. This will again be a 45-minute journey, bus journey, and then you walk for 3 kilometers on the road to reach the Himri village. Himri village is more or less a hamlet, so basically carry food with you. Since we go from Kullu to the Lag Valley, we will be walking up on a slope which is east facing, which means that you will have sun throughout the hike and it will be nice and pleasant. You don't have to wear those feather jackets, you can just hike in shorts and t-shirts. And now as you hike up, you will keep seeing the base village. This is the Himri village, and that is how the trail nicely contours along this beautiful ridge line. This is Indrasan, and this plateau covered with snow is Deotibba. Beautiful peaks around Manali. So everybody is feasting on a dead cow. Crows and vultures. There's a big group there. Oh man. Now as we keep hiking up, the views, they become better and better. Walking at 2800 meters now. The forest is gone. All we have is meadows. And the pass is at 3200 meters. Quite a beautiful and silent landscape. So this little structure that you see is the designated Himri Pass. The time is 12:27, 14th of November. You can see that I'm exactly at this point which is marked in the maps as Himri Pass. Nice 3-hour hike from the base to the Himri Pass here at 3100 meters. And after spending some 5 minutes, we'll start walking and we'll quickly start the descent. If you come a little above the Himri Pass, you'll get some amazing views. Nice. Time to get down through the tricky descent of the pass, guys. Steep descent in the beginning. We have to be quite careful. It will also be quite windy. Now you can always keep your feet sideways so that they would dig in nicely through these slopes. You can then quickly negotiate them, but yeah, be careful. Better late than never. And we are actually coming through a steep dry gully here, and that's where the Himri Pass was. As if walking on this path with a backpack is different and walking with the log is different. He's balancing it with the other hand. He has a rod in the right hand, but still, man, shit. And we thought we are speed hikers. Funny. Beautiful, man. It feels really sad. This guy would have been what, 1,000-year-old, but now it would just stay in the dining hall of some house. And this reminds me of the quote of Sadhana Forest in Auroville, as they say that may there be more trees to grow people. ठीक है भैया, राजस्थान तमिलनाडु। ठीक है। ओश, आराम से भैया। At 3:10 p.m. we've reached the beautiful village of Gramang. No. 3:10 done. Boom. Statistics please.
18.74
minus 3. So 3 kilometer was just the point from where we got down from the bus and walked to the Himri village. So basically it's nice 16 kilometers. And yeah, some 6.5 hours. Amazing chow mein and egg Maggi. You eat anything after a good hike and you'll feel it. It will be amazing. Nice dhaba here. Nice people. We'll quickly eat up and then walk to the next village, which is Tion. It's some 4 to 5 kilometers, and then we'll try to start our next hike, which would be Sari Pass. Himri was amazing. What an experience.